Good morning, Shelby. Which car to take today? I think the truck. What is going on, guys? So today we're starting out the video in the truck. We're gonna be headed to Orlando and we are going to pick up, as you guys can see in the title, a set of cams. Now we are gonna be doing 4 cams in the GT500. A lot of people say you should cam that thing, or when are you gonna get a cam? Well, some of you guys may know, which a lot of you guys do, GT500s have 4 cams, not 1. So we are gonna be going to pick up a set of L&M NSR cams. So these cams sound absolutely wild. I will insert a clip from a YouTube video I found right here. They sound absolutely wild. They also pick up quite a bit of power, and we will be testing that on the dyno at VMP. And you guys know, like, we're going to have so much fun, and that's why I want to get out of the Cobra and into the GT500, because, well, we can do a lot with the GT500 and a lot of things that I've always wanted to do with the Cobra now with the GT500. So I am really excited to go get these cams. So let's go head over and pick them up from my friend RJ. Move. All right, 1 hour later, we are almost here. All right, so here are the 4 L&M NSR cams. Obviously, Comp manufactures the cams, but these are the NSR cams. I'm super excited. Just picked them up from RJ. All right, we got the cams. I'm super excited, so let's roll back home. Hour drive back. But awesome. All right, guys, so we just made it back here. We got the GT500 here. We got the L&M NSR cams. I'm so excited to get them on the car, and we will be bringing you so much more stuff. It's not gonna be too long. It's probably gonna be a few weeks. I get all these comments that are like, when are you gonna do this? When are you gonna do that? It takes time. I've had the car for like a few weeks, and I've done more and set up more things for this than I did with the Cobra in the 3 years I had it. So give me some time. I got the suspension coming, we got long tubes coming, we got cams coming, you got a blower, we got so much stuff coming, injectors. So stay tuned. Now I do have to go to work, but I will check in with you guys later. We're gonna be going to meet tonight, and yeah, so we'll see how that goes. And if you haven't already, pick up your Mustang Lifestyle key tag, link in the description down below. Roll to the meet, guys. All right, we're going to our Friday night meet spot. I believe Down South Racing is supposed to meet there. He has a YouTube channel. I'll link it above and down below. Go check it out, and let's go head over there. Little pull in here for you guys. God. I love this thing. You forget how quick it is. Oh, that hits hard. And it's hooking too with the NT05Rs. We got Zach from Down South Racing.
What's up, man?
A lot taller than you think.
Yeah, it's funny enough. That's the first thing everyone says. They say I don't look. They say I look short on camera. So I don't know. I had to do something about that.
But gonna go for a ride in the GT500.
Yes, I'm excited. So we finally got to meet up. We had plans to meet up yesterday when I came in down here from Florida, but we're here now. So we're gonna have a little bit of fun. So I hear Mexico isn't that far from here.
It only takes a few days.
Only a few days?
So
well, that's not that bad actually. It's like 5 days for me in Kentucky.
Yeah.
So it's pretty rough, but you're lucky down here.
Yeah, we'll teleport over there.
Okay, I got you. All
right.
I'm excited.
Yeah, but right there. It's probably the lowest mileage.
What you doing, Andy?
Nothing.
Car sounds really good. Is it
Pretty quiet.
an off-road X?
Yeah, it's an off-road X pipe.
So, but that's it? Just that and the rest stock?
Yep.
It actually sounds pretty good. I mean,
it sounds good, it's just not loud enough.
yeah, so you've got the full Corsa system. So I've got Texas Speed long tubes, a Catalyst X, and a Roush.
Oh, that's very loud.
So I'm loud as well. So a full Corsa Whipple car was the only car I've ever measured with a decibelometer that was louder than mine. Mine did 127.7 and his did 127.8, so yours should be very similar, but
very loud.
this sounds good, you know.
It sounds good, it's just not loud enough.
Right, but it's gonna get there.
Oh, I got the long tubes on the way.
Okay.
And catback from LTH.
Oh, wow.
And I got cams.
This thing's, no way.
I bought them today.
No way. This thing is gonna be rowdy.
Blower, E85. This is gonna be rowdy.
What do you? So now these have got what, like 52-pound injector stock?
Yeah.
What will you have to do to do the E?
I'm doing FIC 1200 cc's.
Okay, cool. Wow, so you're ready for some
Race car.
some power. Bust it! Wow, he got to Mexico fast.
Yeah, you got to Mexico fast.
So now these cars are TR6060?
60, yeah.
Okay, so awesome. And
so really long gears.
Right, and 331s?
331 right.
So they factory 200-mile-an-hour cars.
Yeah, the cluster goes to 220.
Right, wow. And so that'd be in 5th gear, right? Those 6s overdrive.
Yep.
Wow.
4th gear is to 180, I believe is what the internet says.
That's what the internet says, yeah.
I've not been
So my car actually with the 6R80 and 315s on the 28 point whatever inch tire is, according to the internet once again, geared for 193 at 8,000 in 4th.
Yeah.
So, but the car is beautiful, man. The spec, you couldn't have done better on the spec.
Yeah, this is everything but the backup camera and glass roof. This has the.
Those are just this is a race car.
Yeah, I mean the glass roof would have been cool.
Would have been cool.
Honestly, the backup camera isn't that good in these cars in comparison to the S550 one.
Right.
So
I understand.
Whatever.
All right, guys. So we have arrived in Mexico.
Good few days.
Yeah, not too bad. First gear. Just like that, ladies and gentlemen, 50 to 55. So I mean,
50 to 55. That's all it is.
That's not bad, you know. That's one of the quicker cars I've been in, 50 to 55. Yeah. I really know what to say, guys.
What'd you think?
So the hit, the torque of the TVS style blower is absolutely incredible.
Now you just went to Lewis's car.
Yeah, so his car makes a little bit more power, I believe, on the top end. His car seemed to hook a lot better than this. We spun through second. I mean, I can even get you some footage so you can throw in there as well. But like,
well,
it was.
They can check out your video by clicking right up there.
I appreciate it, guys.
And they can see the Pro Charger pole.
Yes,
I might steal your clip of the pole.
Yeah, no, that's.
I was unable to fill my hands.
So
my hands were a little busy. You know?
So the hit is just incredible, and the long gearing, like we were talking about, so 331s and TR6060. So
TR6060 plus in 1314, the 6060 got the much longer gears.
Yeah. So I mean, just the pull, it just seems to not end. I mean, you know, like I said, guys, we got to 55 like
very quick.
Nothing. So I mean, really incredible. Car is absolutely beautiful as well. This is one of my personal dream cars as well. I know Andrew's talked to you all about it being one of his, but I will also own one of these one day when I'm at that position in life. But just a beautiful car, guys. And, the power is sick, but it's about to have a little bit more that you all will find out.
This video, this is going at the end of my video of me picking up the cams.
Okay, awesome.
So they know.
Okay, cool. So they know. So you all obviously know that the car's about to get rowdy.
It's going to be choppy.
Then we're going to start calling some people out, right? We're going to call some people out.
Yeah, well, we got to see.
So we got to get a little bit of hook.
Gotta get some hook.
Got to see the power level. And I have some personal buddies who I know for a fact who would come down, or we could meet, you know, somewhere with similar power levels and stuff. And I'm gonna have some whoosh sometime in this year.
At some point,
so hopefully I'll get there as well. And I think we can have a lot of fun, man. But this car it's just super fun, man. And it drives like stock, like you were saying. Just that much more power. What did you dyno at stock?
Yeah, it made 591.
So they always make about 580, 590. So that's really impressive.
Yeah.
So it picked up almost 100 wheel.
Yeah, with just some basic bolt-ons.
That's awesome, man. So long tubes will get you definitely over 700.
Yep.
And then
Cams,
the rest will
blower,
go from there.
E85.
It's
all coming.
So I can't wait to see it. I know you all can't wait to see it. Quit rushing this, man, though. You gotta make content.
I mean, I got suspension on the way. It's literally on the way in the mail.
Which suspension did you go with, or have you
got some? I got some BMR good.
Okay, sweet. That's what I got. So awesome, man. Well, the car's sick, man. I can't thank you enough for the ride, guys. Sure. Check me out down South Racing.
Well, they're gonna go watch your video.
So yeah, absolutely. So I have a 17 S550 car, full bolt-on. We also have another 18 car, 10-speed auto car. We're in the works of kind of doing some stuff to it as well. So we try to travel just about everywhere we can, guys, and just make the most content we can. But I appreciate it, man. Wonderful to meet you.
Yeah, for sure, man.
So until next time.
Yep.